Hey, it's Eran here. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how you can keep somebody in an email campaign or multiple email campaigns and cycle somebody through them as a lead until they actually make a purchase. That way you're creating an automated email sequence that's basically never ending until somebody buys. Now, this is not necessarily a strategy that I'm telling you need to do. I'm just showing you the functionality on how you would set up some sort of an automation like that in System.io to be able to convert leads into customers using this strategy. Let me share my screen, show you how it's done. So when you are in System.io, you're gonna go to automations, you're gonna hover over, and then you're gonna click on rules. Under rules, you're going to click on create and you're going to click on trigger and you're going to click on campaign completed. And then you're going to choose this campaign. This is just a demonstration campaign. Affiliate challenge, $30 buyer from webinar. And then you're going to choose the action, and the action is going to be subscribe to campaign. Now you're going to choose this one, which is the webinar follow-up, and you're going to save the rule. Now here's the thing. When this email campaign is finished, this one is going to start. When this campaign is finished, the webinar follow-up, then you're going to subscribe back to the same one that was the original one that started. So here's the point. When this one is completed, this one starts. When this one is completed, this one starts. And they basically go around in circle. Now, you need a reason why this campaign is actually going to start in the first place, right? So it's not just going to start on its own. And also, you're going to need to have an ending step that is going to occur, because you can't just keep emailing the same thing over and over and over. There has to be a purpose for it, which is typically a purchase. So the entry point will be an opt-in page, and the exit point will be a purchase. And the way to do that is to set it up under automation rules, but not in here. You're going to set it up under sales funnels. So now we're going to go to sales funnels and we're going to pick a random one. We're just going to pick this one for demonstration purposes. And you will notice that here you have this order form. So when a purchase is made, you're going to need to set up something that's going to basically cancel out the email sequence taking place. Now, the way you could do it in one way is to click on automation rules, click on add rule, and you're going to say that when a new sale happens, then you unsubscribe them from this campaign and you unsubscribe them from this campaign. That way, when a purchase is actually made, people are no longer going to receive those two things. Now, how do they even get subscribed to either one of these campaigns? Well, under the squeeze page, you're basically going to set that up. So when you get a lead, which is on this page, you're going to set up an automation rule and you're going to set up an add rule. And then when a funnel step is subscribed, you're going to subscribe them to one of these two. Let's just pick this one for demonstration purposes. Doesn't really matter which one, I guess, but you can choose the right one. Now, if you were to choose that, what's going to happen is they're going to be automatically subscribed because they entered their name and email. And then what's going to happen is when that email sequence is done, they will be subscribed to that. And when that email sequence is done, which is the same one, right? Then they're going to be subscribed again. So you'll see it will literally go like this over and over and over in a circular fashion until a purchase is made. And the purchase has to be set up under the order form right here. So that's how you would basically continue to follow up on the person over and over and over and over for as long as you want. Now, the email sequence, you can choose how long you want that email campaign to be. So if we were to have a look on the one that we actually, created as a demonstration, by the way, the one that I was using is literally demonstration purposes. You will see that this one has 6 emails, this one has 7 emails. You can also set up 30 days and 30 days. You can set up however many you want. The point is that when one is completed, the second one will start. And when this one is complete, this one will start. And it will just go around in circle until somebody buys. So that's how you would use the email automation sequence if you wanted to automate the entire thing forever, and people will just get emailed until they basically buy. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. If you got value, please leave the word value in the comment section. If you have any question for me, leave a comment below. Somewhere around here, you're going to see the next video for you to watch, which is an A to Z tutorial on all email marketing use cases in System.io. I'm going to give you a bunch of inspiration on how powerful the email marketing features in System.io are. You're going to absolutely love it. Thanks. I'll speak to you soon.